Right, so I've got our 4 alarms here, and every single one of these alarms is connected to the internet using 4G LTE. Each one has its own SIM card in it, and I just wanted to give you an example of how we can arm all of these devices and how we can get WhatsApp messages on our Fine Auto bot. So for instance, if I arm, there we've got away mode by all 4 of these alarms. If I turn it off, here we've got system off. And here's the really cool thing. If I press panic, we're going to get panic on here. So that's a really cool demonstration of how we can control these and how they all talk to us on WhatsApp.